This is a Synergy helpful tutorial on the reports that are available for teachers. There are two locations that you will see available reports. One is for individual students. When you left click on a student, you'll notice that you have different reports that we have available. Another is underneath the button that is up at the top of your main screen that says reports, and you can notice that you have a variety of reports that are available to you. The two that we want to focus on at the beginning is class roster as well as section seating chart. These are the ones that most teachers will find useful at the beginning of the school year. Let's say that you are ready to have a roster so that you can either record homeworks or attendance at the beginning or throughout the whole school year. So if I click on class roster, a new tab will open, and within this tab you'll notice that it has the students' names along with the days of the week and the week that is current. Up at the top you'll notice that there's the print, which will allow you to print it out if you need to. Now if I want to adjust the number of days that are visible along with the week, there is this additional little icon that is the interface for that report. Each of them have it, and it will add additional options for you. They may be overwhelming, but the first screen for the roster is the usual one that you would want to focus on. So if you notice here, this is the start date that you can pop down and adjust when you want it to start, as well as the number of weeks that you want to be visible. So let's say that we want to have a roster for 4 weeks. I go to the print button that's up at the top. It's just going to create a PDF. It doesn't print it yet. I wait for that report to be visible. And you'll notice that it is now 4 weeks that have little spaces available for you if you wish to use this as any means of record keeping for your students. And then up at the top right is where you would be able to print. I'm just going to close these windows. Now, the other report, which is helpful, is going to be the one that is called section seating chart. Now, this is dependent upon what you are seeing. So here I am looking at my chart that is in a grid format. If I've created a chart that is in different orientation, that will be available to be printed out. So if I am in my grid chart, and I click on the section seating chart, what it will do is it will print out the seating chart exactly what I see on the screen. So when I do have it available for me, and it will tell me up at the front, it will have my students along with the absent, tardy, or present button if you wish to use this or your substitute to be able to take attendance. Now, if I happen to have a special seating arrangement for my class, I want to print out that special arrangement, I would be available to do that. I need to see it in my screen. I then go to the reports and section seating chart. I start the PDF creation. When it comes up, it will give me my arrangement the way that I have it on my screen, so I can print that out if I happen to have that available. So if you notice, it printed out and it printed on one screen. As always, you have the question mark for the help if you need to. That gives you additional support. Thank you.